Hello, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get the steering wheel controls to work on your Chinese made head unit. This one is an Atoto unit, and basically we have to go through to settings, and then we have got system settings and steering wheel control select. And when we go to key settings, it tells you to press and hold. So if I wanted volume there, I'd press that one and then press this, and it doesn't work. So what we're going to need to do is just do a bit of wiring in here to get this sorted. Right, so what we need to be doing is looking for a 20 pin connector, which is this one here. So what I've done is looked it up on eBay, and I've got the female version of that, and it's already got the 3 wires identified. I've put these connectors onto the end there, and then identified the 3 wires coming out of the back of the radio. There's 2 steering wheel wires and a steering wheel ground. I've checked the pin connections online, and they look correct, so I'm going to connect the black to the black, and then these 2 we'll use trial and error to identify which one is which, and then we'll test the system out. Right, so I've got the volume programmed in. Next we're going to be doing the track skip, so you press and hold this, and then press and hold that. Yep, and it's gone blue. And we're going to press and hold that so it changes, and then we're going to press and hold that. There we go, that's gone blue. And last thing is the mode button. So press and hold that, and then press and hold that. Well, it doesn't like the mode button. Maybe we need to switch the wires. We'll try that. Right, let's try that again. Right, so we're going to go with well, that didn't work, so we're going to switch them back. Right, let's try this again. So So it looks like we can only get the volume and the track selection to work. Don't know whether there's any other kinds of tricks that we can do, but if I find any other ways to get this to work, then I will comment in the comments section. So right, the last thing we've got to do is just test the system to make sure it's working. Right, so it's all back together, so we can see that's working. That's working now. So yeah, got some steering wheel controls back on, even if we haven't got the mode button. To be honest, not sure whether the mode button worked previously, because I'd never adjusted the mode with the other unit. It was always on like auxiliary, so it could be a fault with the button. So hope this has been useful. If you could like and subscribe, it will help me to make more videos.